In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create private name servers in GoDaddy, a platform used for managing domains. To kick things off, it's essential that you start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you have successfully logged in, your next task would be to navigate your way to the domain portfolio or all products and services. Here you'll find a list of all your domains. Once you find the specific domain that you want to create private name servers for, click on the DNS option next to it. By clicking DNS, you will be taken to the DNS management page. You will find a range of options on this page. But for the purpose of this tutorial, the Advanced Features section is where we need to focus. So, go ahead and click on the Host Names option in this section. Having done that, your next activity involves adding a new host name. By clicking on the Add button, you get geared up to create your very first host name. Once in the Add Host section, you must navigate to the host name field and type NS1. Now, you might be wondering what to do next. Well, don't worry. You have to enter the IP address in the IP address or host IP1 field. However, this IP address is not arbitrary. It is a specific IP address that is provided by your hosting provider. Once you have accurately entered the IP address, your next step is to click the Save button. To make your domain functional, a second name server needs to be set up. So, let's get on with it. The process to do that is essentially the same as setting up the first name server. Repeat the previous undertaking using NS2, and once done, save it. Laying into place your host names is a big step, but it's not the end of the journey. Your next course of action takes you back to the domain's DNS management page. Here you should head towards and click on the Name Servers tab. You will be given several options, from which you need to select I'll use my own name servers. Once that's done, your final task is to enter the full host names you have just created. These could look something like ns1.yourdomain.com and ns2.yourdomain.com. As soon as you input these, make sure to click Save. By following these steps with precision, you will have successfully created your private name servers in GoDaddy. Now you have full control over your own domain, which makes your website both more efficient and secure. And with that, we come to the end of this comprehensive step-by-step guide.